Welcome, folks, to September. The wait is finally over. Fall has already begun to show its colors, from the leaves changing to the drop in temperature. And with great anticipation, the best part is right around the corner. We'll trade beach strips for mountain hikes, iced lattes for pumpkin spice coffees, and barbecues for bonfires and s'mores. We can finally start planning trips to the state fair, haunted houses, and hay rides. And with every change in season, we remind our Filterheads fans to change their filters. For newbies, you could have years of dirt, bugs, pollen, leaves, and fur clogging the airflow into the vehicle. For our regulars, you know the drill. Fall brings leaves, smoke, hay, and exhaust fumes from holiday traffic. You don't need to add that frosting to what might be caking there already. Check your filters, enjoy the weather, and breathe easy this fall. Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.